Closing market comments for Friday, January the 8th. Markets were mixed today after a stronger opening last night, with wheat closing down 3 cents, corn up 2 cents, down a penny on new crop, and soybeans up 19 cents on the day. So another strong day in the markets. Continue to see outside money flow into this market, buying and driving this market higher. It is not the traditional funds that we're used to. This is money that's coming out of the stock market and other things that's coming into the grains. A lot of talk about people buying grains and commodities, fuel, what have you, as a hedge against inflation. And so we'll see how long this thing continues. Did have an announcement this morning of a sale to China of 204,000 metric tons. That's the first sale to China in several weeks, so that's a positive sign that we finally got them back in the market. In outside markets, dollar was stronger, as I said, up 204 points, closing at 89.995. Gold was down $74.10 an ounce to 1838.20. Silver down 1.875 at 25.325. So a weaker day in the gold and silver, a little stronger day in the dollar. Crude oil was up $1.77, trading at 52.60. We continue to see crude make new highs on this move. Part of that, again, has been the weakness in the dollar. Part of it has been OPEC talking about some fuel cuts. Stock markets were higher across the board, with Dow futures up 86, closing over 31,000, NASDAQ up 186, and the S&P up 28. Open interest in this market also continues to grow, so we see an increase in open interest, that their volumes get bigger, and the options are quite a bit more expensive at this time than what they were a few months ago because of all the open interest in the market. Cash grain remains heavy in movement, both guys selling grain out of storage and guys delivering grain to terminals. Many of the facilities are having long lines with limited hours, closing early, and we're also seeing basis waking a little bit in the nearby bids because of space situations. So rail market softened a little bit as well. Keep in mind the WASDE report will be out on Tuesday. Again, the estimates are for the corn crop to be down a half bushel per acre, beans to be down 0.2, and production to be lowered. So we'll see what those carryout numbers come out in the report. That'll be the driver in the market starting next week. So Tuesday at noon, watch for that market commentary. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.